Vivo T3 5G is set to launch in India on March 21st as a successor to the Vivo T2. Vivo claims the T3 will be the fastest phone in the segment, thanks to the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 ticking at its core. The T3 scores over 734,000 points in Antutu 10, making it the self-advertised fastest phone in segment. With 8GB RAM and 128GB and 256GB internal storage, and boot Android 14, the Vivo T3 is expected to come with a 6.67-inch FHD plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1800 nits of brightness. The company has announced that the Vivo T3's 50-megapixel primary camera will use the Sony IMX882 sensor and have OIS. It can record 4K videos at 30 FPS and has 2x portrait zoom, 2-megapixel bokeh and a 16-megapixel selfie camera. It's powered by 5000 mAh battery with 44W flash charge technology. Its 8GB per 256GB model would be priced under 22,000 rupee in India. However, with the launch just 2 days away, there's little waiting to learn all about the Vivo T3's specs. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.